If you're in the dropshipping game, you know the biggest headaches: slow shipping from overseas, unreliable suppliers, and products that look nothing like the photos. These aren't small problems. They can kill your business before it even starts. Spocket claims to be the solution to all of this. It promises fast shipping and high-quality products from vetted suppliers. First, let's talk about the suppliers. A dropshipping platform is only as good as the people it connects you with. Spocket focuses on suppliers from the US and Europe. This is a huge deal. It means products ship from warehouses much closer to your customers in those regions. Instead of waiting weeks or even months for a package from China, your customers could get their order in as little as 2 to 7 days. That is a massive competitive advantage. Next, product quality. Spocket says they vet their suppliers. They check for things like product quality, shipping speed, and reliability. This doesn't mean every single product is perfect, but it dramatically reduces your risk of getting hit with a wave of bad reviews and returns. They also allow you to order samples, which is a key feature. This lets you personally check out the product before you ever sell it to a customer. Now, let's talk about the cost. Is it free? No. Spocket operates on a subscription model, with plans ranging from around $40 to a couple $100 a month. This is a point of concern for some people. But you need to look at it as an investment. The faster shipping and higher quality products allow you to charge more, which can lead to higher profit margins. The subscription fee pays for the platform's features, like automated order fulfillment and real-time inventory updates. So, is Spocket a magical key to dropshipping success? Not exactly. It's a tool. A very powerful tool, but it's not a shortcut. You still need to do your homework, find a winning product, create a great website, and market your store effectively. It's also important to note that Spocket's product catalog is more curated than, say, AliExpress, which has millions of products. You might have a more limited selection, but that selection is generally higher quality. So, is Spocket real or fake? From a business perspective, it is absolutely real. It's a legitimate dropshipping platform with a solid business model. It solves some of the most frustrating problems in dropshipping. It's not a scam. Ultimately, Spocket is a premium option. If your goal is to build a long-term, trustworthy brand with happy customers, Spocket is a platform that can help you do that. If you're looking for the cheapest possible products and don't mind long shipping times, then there are other options out there.